Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and welcome to the Camper Dan Files. Today you get to tag along with me while I celebrate my birthday. My birthday is actually tomorrow, but I'm celebrating this evening going into tomorrow. Right now we're getting ready to head to a local resort here up on the mountain, and I can't wait to show you guys this place. It's a place that I've been coming to for years and years now. So I'm gonna bring you guys along and show you how I celebrate my birthday, the only way that I know how. This is where we're gonna be staying tonight. Like I said, this is a place that I've been coming to for years, year after year after year. So this is the room that my wife got for me. I believe this is the King Suite, I think. Got a really nice view back down the mountain. However, we're on the back side of the resort, which is not the way I wanted to be facing, but for this room and this view, it's well worth it. So there's our balcony. We have some seats. We're gonna be making use of that. And yeah. It is really nice. Here's a sleeping area. TV. I looked down and suddenly remembered that these shoes are not fit for dinner. So, walking back to Camper Dan here so we can get our dress shoes. Yes, we are. This fireplace, guys, so nice. At the moment, we have the entire place to ourselves.
Cheers.
Cheers. So our plates have arrived. Here's mine. And there's my wife for her salad. So here's the seating area, guys. Fireplace. And even a Christmas tree. This is what it used to look like outside. Used to be a huge pond with goldfish in it. Unfortunately, it's been filled in. There's the mountain in the backdrop with snow. So room service has just stopped by to get my fireplace going. Per the policy of the resort, we're not allowed to start our own fires. So we came, they got us lit, and now we'll just have to maintain our fire. Yeah, the fireplace is really raging now, guys. Loving it. This is absolutely the best feature in this room, hands down. About to have me a little bit of a morning coffee. So we are still in the Vegas area, although we're not in Vegas per se. We're about 40 minutes outside of the city in the mountains here. The geographic location where we are is called Charleston Peak, aka Mt.Charleston. A lot of people come up here to see snow when it does snow. So like I mentioned, guys, it is my birthday today, and I want to say this is the third time that I've celebrated my birthday this way in this particular location. First time staying in this particular suite. Again, this was the King Suite. featured a king-size bed. You have a little living room, 2 couches, a couple of chairs, fireplace, TVs, you know, nice clean bathroom. Not one, but 2 balconies. We're sitting on the main balcony. This is the biggest one right off of the living space. The secondary balcony is on the back side of the camera, and that's gonna be right off of the bedroom. But man, this thing is really, really nice. And we came up here at a perfect time because there was really no one here yesterday. Obviously there were other patrons staying here, but we pretty much had the place to ourselves. We had dinner last night, and there was one other couple that ended up joining us, but that was basically right at the end of us consuming our dinner. So not bad at all. There's a bar downstairs as well. We were there, we had a few drinks, shot some pool. Yeah, we're just gonna relax, take it all in. There's a couple of birds that I see flying about. It's another cool thing about the mountain. The wildlife is exquisite here. Not sure what kind of bird this guy is, but he has like a grayish bluish tint to him. You know, he's just hopping about, making his morning rounds. Oh look, he has a buddy. Maybe that's the woman of the house. Or the woman of the nest, I should say. But yeah, guys, my camera does not do this place any justice at all. And look, more balconies. That's the face of the mountain across the street from the retreat. And when it snows up here, it's so magical because that whole rock face just turns a powdery white. It's just so magical looking. I was really, really, really hoping for some snow on this trip, but didn't happen. But I'll be sure to put some clips in the video for you guys so you can see what the snow looked like in previous years when I visited this location. I'm gonna try and show you guys as much as possible because, yeah, it's my birthday, I'm celebrating, but I wanna bring you guys along so you can celebrate with me so you can see how I do it. Man, look at all this snow. Yeah, so if you're ever in the area, guys, and you want a nice place to stay off of the strip, come on up to Charleston Peak. Keeping breakfast really simple this morning. Some scrambled eggs and cheese, and some bacon. Wife's eggs.
Look.
Perfect.
Maybe they got the fire. Maybe.
And the bar is not open yet. They even have a piano, guys, so if you're a pianist, pretty sure if you ask permission, you can come over here and get down on these keys. All right, guys, so we have our rig all packed up. We're gonna go ahead and hit the road. All right, guys, so we just pulled off onto this little plateau here, and at this elevation we can see quite far. Off in the distance here, there's somebody's property. And again, we drive past this trailhead all the time. We've never thought to come in here to actually look until just now. I'm glad we stopped because this is going to be uncharted territory for us to do some off-roading and possible dispersed camping. And it's not too far from the road. About less than a mile back this way is the main road that goes back down the mountain. Oh, and did I mention there's service here? I actually have LTE on both of our devices here. So this is awesome. We'll definitely put a pin in this one for the future, for sure. Helicopter tours going over the Hoover Dam, and also I believe the Grand Canyon too. So over in this general direction, I don't know if you guys can pick that up there. There's an animal. What is that? Oh, I think that might be a bighorn. No way! It's a bighorn sheep, guys. Yep. And he's constantly scanning back and forth. Now he's looking at me. Wow. Well, what have we here? This is probably the second or third time that I found a rock that just has a natural heart shape. Check this one out. Isn't that cool, guys?
Ready?
All right, so our fire's been going for a little while now. Just taking in the view of the lake. It's a nice view of Lake Mead there for you. Yeah, our fire's been going for quite a while now. It's finally getting into that sweet spot. So I'm just gonna sit down here and enjoy it for a while. I wish the sky looked like that over here. I really do wish it looked like that over here. It's been dreary around here all day. Even here in Arizona. And definitely the same for Nevada, which is just a few miles back that way. All right, guys. So first we decided to cook. Then we decided not to. Then we said, hey, you know what? On the way over here, we did stop by our house again. And I decided, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and cook. I already made the fire. It's been going for about an hour now. And it's down to the perfect cooking size coals. So I'm going to go ahead and break out my camp grill. And I'm going to throw a couple of burgers on here. Gonna get some seasoning on here. Just like that.
You flip it?
Mm-hmm. Pulling the last two burgers now. These two are gonna be mine. Then we're gonna throw some bacon on there.
Ooh.
Alright, I just put my buns on the grill here. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these up and get my burgers together. Alright guys, so my burgers are ready for consumption. My burgers are ready to eat. And I believe these are going to be very tasty. Just enjoying a brown ale here from the Tenaya Creek Brewery. Just enjoying the last bits of fire here, guys. We're gonna go ahead and pack up here shortly. It is properly dark at this point. It's about 5:30-ish. The sun has officially set. That light that you see there, that is man-made light from the city of Las Vegas. As we're sitting here, we're getting rained on. It's been drizzling on and off. It's mostly held off, but we're gonna get out of here because we're concerned with the rain. We are in a dirt road situation. We don't want to get stuck or washed away potentially. So we're gonna pick up the last bits of our gear and we're gonna get out of here. Thanks again for stopping by the Camper Dan Files. My name is Chris. Again, if you're a newcomer and you like these kind of videos, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and comment. All right, guys. So our fire's completely out. Got all of our gear packed up. And we're gonna go ahead and hop in the R50 and head home.